I need help. Hold on a second, shall you? I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Okay? Yeah. Hey, Jack. So, alright, enough with the fish talk. Anyway, so my brother, oh god, I'm not that close. So, my brother has this. Hold on a second. My brother had, fuck. You can't see me, maybe. Hi, babe. So my brother has this Bilt Super Bronco. It's a 2007, and I need help. So being the good brother that I am, I try to get it running. I mean, it runs, but it spits and sputters, and I don't know what to do. I mean, I got everything working right. Everything works fine. It's just that I don't know how to get it running. It's got surging. It like surges a lot. So if any of you guys out there like a lawnmower guy or lawnmower technician, I guess you could say, please help me with this, because kind of I need some help here. Like, it runs. You could drive it and everything. I mean, it's got problems. It's surging. I don't know, but I think it's surging. So I don't have the keys because my brother's kind of an asshole about it. But it runs fine. It doesn't run fine. It's got something wrong with it. But it spits and sputters while you're driving it, or just got it parked. So. I'm stupid. It sputters while you're driving it, or if it's idle. And I'm not a lawnmower guy or know anything. I don't really know that much about small engines. I mean, I could clean a carburetor, but I don't know. My neighbors are screaming. Yeah, anyways, it just sputters. So if you're a lawnmower guy or know anything about small engines and surging, please help me.